no. I found the cover to the boat on there. It's never been unfolded. I thought maybe I'd take a chance and look at it. It's black, white, and gray. This will be up on the front of the boat. Fold it up. Goodness. Oh. Yeah, that's up on the bow. And then I know it says Sea-Doo Sportster. This thing's big. I don't know if I'll get it folded back up, but I'm gonna look at it. Like I told you, I bought this when I was down there visiting you and Kim. This thing is really cool. It's got these little overhanging parts where you can still get your hand in there. And I was looking at the strap thing. It's got this little zipper compartment. That's where it keeps the ratchet. When you tighten it up, tighten it down, you ratchet it with these. Damn, those are nice. And it puts them in this little packet where once you tighten it up, you cover the ratchet up with the waterproof ratchet. And then it's got these nice buckles on the bottom. Let's see. And the inside's got a liner in it. It's like white on the top. Thick canvas on the bottom. And up in the front, it's going to have that 150 Speedster on this side, the right side. Oh man. And then on the left side, it's got that 150 Speedster. And then the right, I don't know why the left side's got the words Sea-Doo. Let me set this camera down. Okay, so there's the right Sportster 150 and the left, and then it's got that big white and silver Sea-Doo, and then on the back, the platform back there. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Well, time folding it up, putting it in a box. This bag right here is about 2 feet long. Let me set the phone down. Yeah, these are the, once you put this cover on the boat, you go in to the inside Goodness gracious. Anyway, you got 2 poles. And I'm betting that this pole right here it's got a buckle and 2 things to tie. And it's got one of those little, what you can do is you can adjust the height of this pole up and down in the middle of your boat. What it is, you want to kind of like make it be like a tent where the water will roll off. And then there's another one that's got, this one's different. It's got 3 black straps. And the other one has 2 white straps and a black buckle. Somehow, I'm guessing this round part is the top, and that part with the rubber part right there is the bottom. So yeah, you can, dang, yeah, they didn't have any instructions. I'm sure you go online, you can get the instruction sheet off this thing. But I mean, you can figure it out, but there's a black buckle on the top of one and 2 white ties. And then there's 3 black ties on the second one. So one of them goes up front and maybe use this buckle on something to do with this cover. But anyway, I bought that, like I said, it was $900, so wow. Anyway, I'm gonna cool off and come back and get this thing laid out and folded back up and put it in the box. I think I got the phone upside down. Sure is nice. Anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.